Okay guys, look at all of this. I have won a giveaway. Come back and we'll discuss whose. Welcome back to Life Adventures in Keto. My name is Michelle. I'm coming to you with a lovely day from Paris, Tennessee State Park today for an unboxing. So let's get into it. Hey you guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing a giveaway that I won off of Amber, Keto Khaleesi's channel.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Amber, Keto Khaleesi here. I am doing this meal planning Monday like I said I would. And also I'm going to be announcing the giveaway. I did 3 giveaways. Dinosaurs and lattes. Life Adventures in Keto. And Marina Keto 23.
Yay, so let's see what I won. Okay, first item I pulled out of the box that's already been opened and used is this Slim Fast Keto Creamer. I have not used this before. I used it this morning for the first time and got a really good kick off of this and the Truvia vanilla that she sent. So that is the way I started out my morning this morning. Thank you so much, Amber. I have not tried any collagen, and she sent me a packet of Vital Proteins. I have never used those before, so I really appreciate that. In the vanilla flavor, I may try that in the morning. So she gave me some Shrewd Foods. I've never tried Shrewd Foods before. This one was pretty good. As you can tell, it's empty. So I had one as soon as I got the box when I got home. I had one serving after dinner last night as a snack, and then one serving for lunch today. So thank you so much. She also gave me the nacho cheese flavored ones, the baked cheddar flavored ones, and those macros, 2 grams of carbs. I mean, that's pretty good. Okay, she gave me some Love Spearmint Gum. And a sugar-free blueberry lemon sucker. I believe that is all that she sent. Thank you so much, Amber, for allowing me to enter your giveaway, even though I didn't get back to you until later after your cutoff date. That was very sweet of you to still include me. I appreciate you coming by my channel, and I will keep coming by your channel, and I can't wait to see where you go from here. Amber is new to YouTube, you guys, so we're gonna link her description down in the description box. I'm gonna link her down in the description box below, so you can go by and check out Amber on You're Gonna Love Her. Thank you so much. Again, it's Keto Khaleesi. Thanks.